we're talking where we left off. We're talking about the party shot. That was one with you and Poppy there. Okay. When that came out, were you on the road with Poppy or you just did the intro? You guys are linking. Did you actually start to go on the road with him?
No, man. I just in the yard with the advice. Them things are natural thing. Just in the yard, Poppy like my energy. Even Poppy shave off piece of energy, you know. Come here, the voice for him. Yeah. When my Poppy see him get mad, I must say, no, see, vibes keep coming. Energy change from Poppy see me. Because me come with a different energy web light. You see me? Yeah.
And it was just one vibes from there at the beginning. But I know this was the first time me on a public really seeing that this is where, okay, Quick Coke got into confrontations. Because I don't know what had happened between you and Poppy, but this is where you started to put out some diss songs to Poppy. What had happened with you guys?
No, Poppy just make a big shot dog. Try to disrespect my career. Call me a fish. And that never made no sense. Because you can't just do a song with Jamaica most famous, aka Quick Coke, then come out here and tell my fish. You see what I'm saying? That was very disrespectful. Me not for just move at him back and just he was ignorant. So up to know him now, know what going on. You know, I'm going to check the levels of what going on. He just see me in a video, call me, and attack me. Which I didn't really cause all of this. Because that can give me a strength of a party shot. You know me, as you would love all disrespect parties. I love a Sugar Girl Beach. I think that we'd have one of them big ear-to-ear something over there, like when them have Santa and chug it over there. And over there, I go, see the man over there, you might ask where the party them. I say, after dinner Sunday, because them used to keep a thing down by Tough Gun. Them used to keep a thing called after dinner. Loud. Done 12 o'clock. So we left from off of the beach from this, come on, Tough Gun, and the man come forward with me. I will go over there, we'll mash up the place, DJ, everything. So on my way, we're leaving, going to our next party. You see me? Stop at the gas station, I don't have it. Bima go, fly the Bima door, say my shoot a video. Me not pay the song, nothing at all. I just advise me, I ride my bike, under energy. You see me? When me look, me don't even know about this song. Me only hear say some video drop with me and come out there. Me so weird. When me look, the man go put me in the party and say, yo, keep my style and I ask my feet. And when you look at Quick Cook that, I come out at the Marco car. So the people them never like that. And that look like a traitor move. Chrissy Popcaan give us straight the new over yourself, which the Marco set a chop for both me and him the sister himself and said it for. You see what I say? Because anything we do, you know, remember what they do, can't forget to come back on hard kill. You see what I say? Yeah. So that's no way I do.
Because I remember seeing you on
Start your mind and do something. Man. You remember we go on this ever start out of them something. Talk your mind all them should. Talk your mind can't nice it out and quick cook, you know. Richie feelings.
Okay, so man, drama man there. Quick Cook. Richie feelings.
Yeah, and Flambo. Yeah, man. Them show that Billy Run. I show them step them show they know and try. Billy drawn himself. You see me? Therefore the real that's what you see. That's gone on. But anything we involve the street, they have to just keep it real. Like this way I do that platform here. Anytime they try to celebrate it from the street, or the artists are going to trouble. Because it's all about unity and love and strength. And why you keep it the official way how you have it. You see what I say? Because the platform here, and they are Jamaica, watch it. Powerful platform.
Respect here. I mean,
you see what I say? That's how it works.
You see when you love what you do, hopefully other people would see it, understand the same thing. Okay, this person loves. Anybody could pick up a mic and a camera and do anything.
That's true.
But hopefully people see that you love this thing.
No, you have to love it. Because if you're not going to love it, you wouldn't say that time. And I schedule for quick years, because I don't really do any interview. No disrespect to any podcast or anything like that. But certain one can call me comedy. Joke thing, I mean, mix up thing. Try to avoid them something in the back of drama. Because you have no way out, because you work on one interview and it cause struggle. And when me talk, I don't really give a damn line in a mighty. Anything like you, I say, I saw it coming, I don't really put on, I feel. You see what I say? Yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.